Hi students, now in this video we will study about the mechanism of clotting blood. When we got hurt, the blood is flowing. If the blood continue to flow for a longer time, then what happens? Continuous entire blood of the body will be drained away and we are not able to survive. So it is important to form a clot, right? In normal human being, the formation of clot occurs between 2 to 5 minutes. The clot formation is there. For clot formation, the part of the blood which is responsible, that is the blood platelets. When we got hurt, blood comes in contact with the air, then what happens? Then blood platelets release an enzyme thromboplastin. At the site of the injury, platelets break down at the site of injury and they release an enzyme thromboplastin. Now this thromboplastin changes a substance present in the blood, prothrombin, into thrombin in presence of calcium ions. When thromboplastin is released, now this thromboplastin, it converts the substance prothrombin into thrombin in presence of calcium ions. Now this thrombin acts on the soluble protein present in the blood. Fibrinogen changes into fibrin. Fibrinogen, the soluble protein present in the blood. Fibrin, it is insoluble protein present in the blood is present. It is insoluble, it is fiber-like. When it forms a fiber-like structure, mesh-like structures over there, then this mesh-like structures, when it forms over there, then what happens? Mesh-like structure is there over there, then what happens? Blood corpuscles comes and entangle. Suppose this is the site of the injury. Here the blood is oozing out. Then what happens? Network is formed. Under this network, blood corpuscles comes in contact. Then formation of clot, the blood is not able to flow. And then a serum oozes out after the formation. The fibrinogen changes into fibrin. Now this fibrin forms a thread-like mesh over the bone. It traps RBCs to form the clot. RBCs or blood corpuscles comes and entangled over them. When those blood corpuscles comes and entangled, then the fluid part, plasma part of them after dries, a small fluid, yellow color fluid comes out of the cell. आपने देखा चोट लगी, जब चोट लगती है, क्लॉट बनता है, तो जब क्लॉट बन जाता है तो उसके बाद हल्का पीला पदार्थ निकलता है बाहर. Light yellow color substance comes out. This yellow color fluid which remains in the clotted area, this is called serum. And what it is serum? It is the plasma without fibrin. Fibrin means that fibrinogen which took part in forming the fibrin. That part of the plasma which comes in, so it is the serum, it contains all. Only it lacks in fibrinogen because fibrinogen has took part in the formation of a clot. So the steps which are formed during the condition: first, platelets release an enzyme thromboplastin at the site of injury. Now this thromboplastin changes prothrombin into the thrombin. Prothrombin in active state, thrombin is the active state in presence of thromboplastin and calcium. Now this thrombin acts on the soluble protein present in the blood. Fibrinogen in presence of thrombin changes into fibrin, that is the insoluble thread-like structure. Then what happens? This fibrin forms a thread-like structure mesh over the bone and it traps the blood corpuscles to form a clot. And when the clot dries up, then a yellow fluid substance comes out of it. It is called the serum. This is the plasma without fibrinogen. It is called the serum. Yes. Again, once you can see, blood platelets release an enzyme at the site of injury, thromboplastin. This thromboplastin, which is released over there, changes prothrombin into thrombin in presence of calcium ion. Now this thrombin changes fibrinogen into fibrin, insoluble thread-like structure. Now this fibrin forms thread-like mesh over the bone and RBCs to form a clot. Then after the clot dries up, then a yellow fluid remains in the clotted area. This is called the serum and this is the plasma without fibrinogen. I hope it is clear to you. Thank you, class.